Four-strand braid versus eight-strand braid. What are the advantages of each, and when should you use one over the other? So first of all, it doesn't actually make a massive difference, so don't feel like you need to rush to the store and buy a bunch of new spools. But it definitely is something to be aware of, especially if you're trying to dial in a certain technique or setup. So first of all, the four-strand braid. There are three main advantages of four-strand braid. The first being abrasion resistance. It's just more durable, obviously not in terms of tensile strength, those are both the same. But when you're rubbing up against hard structure like wood, docks, rocks, anything that can kind of scratch up your line, 4X is going to be stronger in that sense. Second advantage is it can cut through vegetation better. The rougher four-strand line acts almost like a saw blade to a degree and is able to cut through vegetation much easier than an eight-strand. So anytime you're fishing dense, heavy vegetation, four-strand is going to be the way to go. Then the third advantage is just price. It's quicker and easier to manufacture, so four-strand braid is just a bit cheaper. Now, eight-strand braid. What are the advantages of eight-strand braid? Well, there's really only one, and that is casting distance. Because it's so smooth, it just glides through your line guides really quickly, off your reel spool really easily with very low friction, and just can cast a bit farther. I like to use eight-strand braid when I'm surf fishing because casting distance is paramount in the surf, but really all my bass fishing applications are done with four-strand braid.